Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add or edit form success or submission message in Wix form. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in contact page. So this is our form. So click on it. So when we click on it, and then you see edit form or setting. So click on edit form. So this is our Wix form new layout. So Wix updated their contact form layout, and then you see submission, setting, preview, edit. So click on setting. So we are in general setting, and then you see multiple option, and then you see confirmation message. When a form is submitted, show a message. So you can add confirmation message according to requirement. So we added this message. So you can add message according to requirement. So Wix updated whole form layout. And then you see message delete time always custom. If you want, you can add second, or if you want, you can select always. So it's up to you. And then click on save. Now form save done. Now close. And then click on publish. So in this way you can update your confirmation message in Wix form. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.